Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, the Bricks and Forged wheels are back on the event tour. It looks absolutely incredible. Like, this is what we were thinking all along. The white Bricks and Forged wheels with the white camo, it just looks so sick. I cannot get over how good the white wheels look. We got a bunch to do in today's video, but Tessa, hi! I heard you want to launch the C8 Corvette, is that true?
I do. Are you ready for this?
I don't think so. Could you start it for us real quick? Cold startup, C8 Corvette. In my haste, I realized I gotta move the limo, the Mustang, and the Aventor. They all gotta go in the garage, and then we're off in the C8 Corvette. I'm pretty sure this will work. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. That was cool. And again. Okay, honestly, like, it's expected to be impressed in this situation. That was amazing. Look at how massive these doors are. I definitely want to get butterfly doors soon, but the hinges are $13,000. Do you know how to operate one of these, man? You have no idea what you're doing right now. Okay, so you gotta put the clutch in.
I don't even know how to do that.
Do you even know what the clutch is?
Nope.
Jeez, that is so loud. What? Okay, maybe just like a little baby rev. Do it again, a little bit more. Jeez, that's enough, Tessa. Tessa can't drive a manual quite yet, but soon she's going to. She has no idea what I have in store for her. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but you had to see this coming. This C8 Corvette next Friday is going up to Summit Auto Lab, and we're wrapping it purple. Of course we're gonna wrap it purple, and we're gonna get a set of white wheels. So anyways, I'm gonna get a set of white Vossen wheels, and I need your guys' help. So we have this option right here, and we have this option right here, and I want you guys to help vote. Instagram story is going live as soon as this video goes live. Go on there, go vote, whichever wheel option wins, that's the wheel choice we're gonna go for. The verdict is still out on the Ford GT. I don't think we're gonna go purple. We might, but probably not. Maybe turquoise. What do you guys think on the GT? I don't know. Tessa, thoughts? Purple.
Has to be purple.
That's why I like her. I just wanted to point out, we have a whole fleet of white supercars and a girl with white pants. The C8 Corvette has a heated steering wheel. It's 44 degrees Fahrenheit, 4,577 miles on the C8 Corvette. We are racing to Tijuana, Mexico. Excited?
I hope it's warm there.
I hope it's not 44. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What did you just say?
I'm gonna beat your time.
You are not gonna beat my time on launch control. You just asked also, is launch control hard? In like the cutest voice ever. It's fairly easy, but no, you're not gonna beat my time. I did it in 3 seconds, downhill and floor.
I'm gonna get 2.9.
What? Mm-hmm. Traction control off, ESC off. You ready to rock and roll, girl?
Let's go.
Little demonstration, PTM race mode, foot on the brake, rev it up, and go. Oh, I forgot to hit the timer. I missed the timer. And 2.9. I'm pretty sure that was 2.9. Read it and weep it, girl. Yes. Okay, we're gonna spin around and get the timer. This is take 2. I have to push this button right here. We have the 0 to 60 timer, girl. Buckle up and hold on. Go! Oh, we can get traction. Come on. Full set, boys. 3.1 seconds, 0 to 60. Not bad. That's the time to beat, girl. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Good drivers can do 0 to 60 and 2.9 in the C8 Corvette. We just did 3.1, which wasn't bad. You ready, girl? Show us what you got.
Ready.
I don't think I've ever ridden in any car where you drove, have I?
I don't think you have.
I don't think I have.
Are you ready for this?
And you're gonna launch the C8 Corvette before you even really drive it. No, I'm not ready for this.
Did you bring your diaper?
I forgot to pack my diapers. They've sold out. Diapers and toilet paper all sold out. I'm sorry, it's my car at least, so we're good.
Buckle up.
You heard the woman. She says buckle up, you buckle up. Okay, so, yeah, let's go over there to Mexico. Have you ever launched a car before?
I've never launched a car before.
First time launch control, so, C8 Corvette. This is like the only one in the entire state.
You're the guinea pig.
I'm the guinea pig. Okay, yeah. So, drive. All right, let's go, full send.
I'm so scared.
You're fine, girl. You're gonna be good. The worst thing that would happen is that you lose control of the back end and you put it in the thickets. That's not that bad. I mean, it's pretty bad, but not that bad. Push this button, 0 to 60 timer, traction control is off, stability control is off. So you're gonna mash the brake. Okay, so you have the wrong foot on the brake. You need the left foot on the brake, and you're gonna mash the throttle. It's gonna go up to like 3,500 RPMs, and then you're gonna let off on the brake and keep your foot on the gas and go straight. Full send, little doubt, some doubt, a little doubt. You're fine, Tessa, you're good. Foot on the brake, foot on the gas, let off on the brake. Let off. Go, 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 go. Full send. You let off. Go, go, go. You haven't hit 60. Go, go. You still have not hit 60. Foot on the gas. No, no, you did
good.
But you're still going. You never hit 60. You only hit 58.
It's okay, we'll go again.
Okay.
I'm just getting you ready.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just preparing.
Oh, that's what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm just trying to be considerate, you know.
You ready?
Are you ready?
No, I'm not. That look right there was devious right there.
You should probably be a little worried right now.
I should be.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Full send.
Full send.
Foot on the brake, mash it. Mash the throttle. Let off. Go. Keep that foot down. Keep that foot down. Go, 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 go. That was 3.5. 3.5. That's so good. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen. That was so good. 3.5 seconds. That wasn't bad. Where did I find you? You're a natural.
I'm just getting started.
Oh,
So.
oh, that's right. There's a sneaky second version of launch control we're gonna do now. It's basically where you pull it on both paddles, you rev it up to like 7,000 and let off, and there's a lot more shake and bake. It's not quite as fast, but there's more jump and it's more exciting.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I don't think so. Okay, so you're gonna pull it on both paddles, you're gonna rev it up to 7,000, let off on the brake, put on the gas, full send. That made sense?
Okay,
Yeah?
full send?
Full send.
Okay, let's go.
Pull on the paddles, rev it up. Okay, let off, go.
Wait, I forgot.
What happened? No!
Welcome to another beautiful day here in Mexico.
Yes, it is. It is a beautiful day. Tijuana's looking fresh. Okay, that was not Mount Timpanogos. So you're gonna pull it on the paddles. You're gonna rev it up to like 6,000. Let off on the paddles and full send, girl. Okay.
I'm scared.
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You go. Okay. Pull on the paddles. Rev it up. Let off. That was pretty good. That wasn't bad. 3.7. Miss Tessa. That was impressive. First time ever launching a car of any kind, 3.5 seconds. You're a natural. I have an idea, a proposition of sorts. I'm probably gonna regret this decision. RIP Aventador transmission. Anyways, if today's video can get 144,915 likes, that number is unprecedented. That has never happened in the history of the channel. Tessa, you can launch the Aventador, but you have to wear a diaper.
I have to wear a diaper.
What's an Aventador? It's got 700 horsepower. This only has 500. It's got a V8. We got a V12.
I think you're the one that's gonna need the diaper.
That's actually probably true. Anyways, guys, be sure to smash that like button if you want to see Tessa blow up the transmission on my Aventador.
Hit the like button, guys.
Off camera, Tessa was just singing the Star Spangled Banner. Could you give us another rendition of that? Back to America, America the beautiful. And we're good. It's so nerve-wracking every time. That is so close, but we are good to go. So I totally forgot to open this box in the last video. Mail time! Mail time! Whoa, yo! Whoa, yo, these seats are so comfy. Quick update on my Supra. The car's down at VF Engineering in Southern California. It's gonna be back in Utah in 2 weeks. As soon as it gets home, we're gonna be installing the Status Racing bucket seats. Yo! Okay guys, so we got a bunch to talk about. Obviously, there's just so much going on in the world right now. I hope everybody is staying at home, staying safe. Officially, the state of Utah is not under a directly mandated quarantine. That being said, obviously, I still want to limit my own personal social interactions, and I wanted to take some time to sort of talk about the ramifications as far as my YouTube channel and some of the pending financial decisions that I need to make. But I want to clarify, my YouTube channel and these decisions in the grand scheme is not that important. Not being able to film my normal YouTube videos is not that important, and I don't want it to be conveyed that way, but I just want to talk about it because it's kind of relevant to the YouTube channel. So I hope that makes sense. So I want to talk about some of the financial decisions that I have coming up in relation to building my dream house. I'm not gonna say that the economy is about to collapse, but there's a lot of uncertainty floating around, and so I'm trying to decide, is building my dream house right now the most responsible thing to do? So I'm under contract on a piece of land right now, but I could back out. But at the same time, it's like my dream piece of land, and in 2, 3, 4 weeks, like the economy could be back up. So there's just so much uncertainty. I don't really know what to do moving forward. My tentative plan, I'm gonna move forward on the piece of land. I'm gonna buy the piece of land, but I'm gonna delay construction for maybe 6 months to a year just to kind of see how the landscape changes. So that's kind of like the tentative. I would love to know your comments below. Let me know what you think, if you agree, if you disagree. Obviously, like someday boys, we're gonna have the dream house. It just might have to be delayed a little bit longer. But then the bigger decision that I think I need to make, I'm not under contract. What am I saying? I'm taking delivery. Yes, that was easy. I'm taking delivery of a Tesla Model Y any day now. Like, I could get a call right now saying it's ready to be picked up. This car is gonna cost me $75,712. I'm trying to decide, like, it'll be the 9th car in my garage, which is totally excessive. It's not even my garage, it's the Burlacker's garage. I don't have a garage, and I have 9 cars, which is ridiculous. Is that the best decision right now with the economic uncertainty? $75,000 is a lot of money. I don't know, I'm leaning towards canceling, but at the same time, like, if I got the call right now, I'd go down to the Tesla store and I'd buy it. Every single day passes, I get more and more, like, likely to cancel it. Obviously the car's for Oscar. I had like this thought process for him to have a car that he could ride in. So I really need to have like a one-on-one conversation with him and see how the fluff feels. But oh, Oscar started a YouTube channel. There's a link below. He has one video up. Go check it out. Go subscribe. He almost has 10,000 followers. The video, well, how do we say this? Oscar likes cereal. Yes, he likes cereal. And that is going to effectively end today's video, but I have one last question for you guys before it's officially over. Looking forward to the future, like, my YouTube channel is going to be kind of sort of in a weird position. The volume of uploads is probably going to be significantly less. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to film. If you have any good video ideas, let me know in the comments below. I could do like reaction videos, I could do like a Q&A, I could do in-depth car reviews of each individual one of my cars. Let me know if you have any other ideas, but as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.